Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get another garden and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to this menu, save slots menu, and then you can unlock new slot here. And if I'm not mistaken, it cost 25 billion shekels. Okay, and after you have added new slot, you can easily switch your garden. Now I'm using my slot 2, my second garden, and I'm going to switch it to my first garden. So I'm going to click on load on my first garden. Okay, and as you can see guys, that my garden has been switched to the first garden, and this is how my first garden looks like. Yeah, that's super easy, but yeah, of course you need to earn a lot of shekels guys, because we need 25 billion shekels to buy a new garden. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!